GPT 5.6 AI SEO ranks number 1. On Google, my full agent OS system. What if Google was already telling you how to rank number 1 and you just weren't listening? GPT 5.6 dropped this week, and almost nobody is using it for SEO the right way. The pages winning right now aren't guessing. They're pulling data most people never even look at. Want to see how it actually works? Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Zoe. I help people learn AI tools and actually use them in real work, not just play with them. Today, I'm going to walk you through how I'm using GPT 5.6 inside my Agent OS to rank pages number 1 on Google and inside Google AI overviews too. Stick with me, because near the end, I'll break down the exact 5-step pipeline that ties it all together. And it's way simpler than you think. So first, let me prove this is real. We rank number 1 for a keyword like Best AI School Community, not just on normal Google, inside Google AI Overviews too. That's the AI answer box you see right at the top. We show up in the regular results on the first page and in the AI answer. So this isn't a theory, it's something we're testing right now live with GPT 5.6 running the brain of the whole thing. Here's the first piece, and it's my favorite because it's free. Google already tells you every single search where your site shows up. The keyword, your position, how many people saw you, how many clicked. Most people never open this, but inside my Agent OS, I connect Google Search Console straight in. Then I go to the research section, type in a keyword, and my agents use GPT 5.6 to look at where my site is really ranking. It shows me the page, the clicks, the impressions, and my average spot on Google. So now I'm not guessing. I can see exactly which keywords are close to the top and just need a little push. That's the whole game right there. Stop guessing. Start looking at what Google is already handing you for free. Now, the brain of all this is GPT 5.6. And this part is cool. It comes in 3 versions: Sol, Terra, and Luna. 3 models, 3 price points, 3 different jobs. Luna is the fast, low-cost one. It's great for finding thousands of keywords quickly. Terra is the everyday one. It writes the articles. And Sol is the powerful one. It handles the hard stuff, like building out tools and full websites. And inside one dashboard, I can research, write, and deploy. I can wire it up to 5 different websites or whatever platform I'm making content for. So it's one machine doing the whole job, start to finish. Let me show you how fast this moves. I take one of those keywords from Search Console, the ones sitting just outside page 1, and I use it to make content. One button, it can generate a batch of articles and push them out to my website. That's it. No opening 10 tabs, no messy handoffs, just keyword in, content out, deployed. There's also a video agent, because we don't just rank with articles, we rank with video too. I plug in a keyword I want to rank for, and the agent does the research, picks the avatar, and edits the whole thing together. Out comes a finished video with an AI avatar, a full voiceover on top, and clean edits. And it saves into my memory system so it remembers my style for next time. Now, here's one we actually ran. GPT 5.6 has Codex plugged in, and Codex can build things. So earlier, we gave it a goal: build a small racing game and a landing page for it. We came back a little while later, and there it was. The full page, the working game, all created for us. So Codex isn't just for coding nerds. You can use it to build the actual thing you want to rank, then build the page around it, all in one place. And this all runs on something called goal mode. You give your agent a goal and it loops. It keeps working on that task until it's done and deployed. So I can say, keep making content for my site until it starts ranking. And it just keeps going in the background. It can run for a long time without me babysitting it. That right there is the difference between a tool and a system. A tool needs you. A system keeps working when you walk away. Then everything I make gets saved into one workspace. The game, the page, the blog posts, all of it sits in one place, so I never lose it. I can open any of it in a new tab, see the source code, preview it, copy it, save it. Nothing gets scattered across 100 random folders. And then there's the memory system, which honestly might be my favorite part. Picture a galaxy full of little dots. Each dot is a memory: my brand, my voice, my past content that did well, my goals, my clients. My agents pull from that galaxy every single time they make something new. So the content isn't generic. It sounds like me. It's built for my brand, not some random template. The last piece of the system is link building, and this is where the Hermes agent comes in. If you're doing outreach, there's an outreach tool built right in. I can say, find me AI automation blogs that accept guest posts or backlinks, and it goes out and finds the leads for me, fully enriched with AI ready to go. Then I add them to a campaign. The agent writes the outreach emails, and it can even send them and manage the inbox for me. So it's a full link building and outreach setup all in one place. Content on one side, links on the other. Now, here's the thing, everything I'm showing you works, but the real magic is setting it up around your site, your keywords, your content gaps, your pages that are one nudge from the top. That's actually why I do one on one strategy sessions, not a course, not a group call. Just you and me mapping out how this exact GPT 5.6 SEO workflow fits your own website. We look at where you're ranking right now, which keywords to chase first, and how to point your agents at the pages that matter most for you. If that sounds useful, there's a link for it below, and I'll come back to it at the end. So let me pull the whole thing together into 5 simple steps, because this is really the core of it. Step 1, you pull your live search console data. Step 2, you score every keyword, so you find the ones closest to the top. Step 3, you send each job to the right model. Luna to find new keywords, Terra to write, Soul to build. Step 4, you write and deploy the content to your site. Step 5, you let goal mode keep looping in the background. That's it. The data tells you exactly which keyword is one nudge from number 1, and your agents do the rest. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds hard to set up. It's really not. Loads of people in our community have installed the Agent OS, and most of them aren't technical at all. One member, Jacob, got it running in about 10 minutes. Another one, Paul, set it up across a few different devices. I'm not technical either, and I promise you, if I can do this, you can too. And here's why this beats the old way of doing SEO. The old way, you pick keywords on a hunch, or from some tool that's already 6 months out of date. You hire writers who are hard to manage, and there's barely any quality control. It's messy and it's slow. The new way, the data comes straight from Google Search Console. Your agents write the content and follow a specific skill, so it's quality controlled and made to the right standard every time. Then it all works to rank you number 1 on Google and inside AI overviews in a clean, controlled way. So the real shift here is simple. It's having an agent OS on your side instead of a pile of random tools that don't talk to each other. GPT 5.6 is the brain. Search Console is the data. The agents are the hands, and the memory system keeps it all sounding like you. Let me give you a few quick tips before I wrap up. First, start with the keywords you already rank for on page 2. Those are your fastest wins. Second, let Luna do the heavy keyword digging so you save the powerful model for the hard builds. And third, feed your memory system early. The more it knows about your brand, the better everything it makes turns out. One more thing, if you're ever worried about running low on tokens, you can plug in free options like OmniRoute or High for Content, so you're never stuck. All right, so if you want the full process for free, I've put together a complete SEO course with over 260 lessons. It walks you through everything, from the basics all the way to advanced AI SEO workflows, completely free. Links in the comments and description. Next, if you want my actual setup, the whole Agent OSI run all of this on, that lives inside the AI Profit boardroom. When you join, you get the full Agent OS zip file ready to install, plus a complete 30-day roadmap that walks you through it step by step. You get the Search Console setup, the GPT 5.6 and Codex pipeline, the one-click content system, the memory galaxy, and the outreach tool. All the pieces I showed you today. There are weekly coaching calls, walkthroughs, and daily updates whenever something new drops, so you're never setting this up on your own. Everything you just watched, that's exactly where it lives. And last, once you start building this out, you're going to hit questions. Which keyword first? Why isn't this page moving? Where do I point the agents? That's exactly what a one-on-one strategy session is for. We sit down, look at your site, and build a plan around your keywords and your content gaps, so you skip the guesswork and move a whole lot faster. If you want that, come book it in. Link in the comment and description below.